Teamwork can be a mess if ideas, tasks, and meeting notes are scattered across different apps. Here's where Saga AI helps, a note-taking app built to improve teamwork and productivity. Today, we're getting into an in-depth review to see if Saga AI is the perfect note-taking app for teams. The first thing that caught our attention. The layout is modern and easy to navigate. On the left side, you have your workspaces and pages to switch between different projects. The note editor itself is pretty basic, but still gives you all the formatting options. In the dashboard hub, users can see a quick overview of ongoing projects, tasks, and notifications. One thing we really appreciate is the distraction-free mode of Saga AI helps you to focus on writing. We've tried a bunch of note-taking apps. Some of them can get a little too crowded with all the extra features. But Saga AI keeps it simple. We didn't need to spend much time trying to figure out how to use it. So, if you prefer a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to use right away, then Saga AI is your go-to app. When it comes to collaboration, Saga AI can be a nice option for you. With Saga AI, you can collaborate with other members of your workspace, edit content, and also assign tasks to them. If you collaborate on the same page, you will see their avatar in the top right corner of the page and their cursor across the page where they are editing. The interesting part we found is that you can mention collaborators by just typing @ and auto-filling the name in any part of your note. Then, the team members inside the pages will get reminders about tasks and important updates. Also, an email and notification will be sent to the collaborator you've mentioned. It's a great tool for a wide range of people, especially for remote teams, project managers, content creators, and businesses. Alright, Saga AI isn't just about taking notes. It also has built-in task management features, which we found surprisingly beneficial. You can turn the note into a task, assign it to a team member, set deadlines, and also track progress. Besides, constantly switching between different apps can be frustrating. Saga AI simplifies the process by keeping things organized in one smooth workspace. Here, you can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress so nothing falls through the cracks. Plus, you can get an overview of the team's workload, which means you can balance things out better, share updates, and ensure tasks are being handled by the right people at the right time. One aspect that grabbed our attention was the AI-powered reminders. If a deadline is approaching, Saga AI will notify you with reminders. That's the kind of smart automation, so team members don't need to constantly remind each other of pending tasks. Now, let's get into one of the most hyped features of Saga AI. It can summarize long notes into small insights. So, after testing it out, here's what we found. The AI does a pretty good job of extracting the key points. For example, if you had a meeting note, it would highlight the big stuff like the project's deadline, budget, and tasks. But in a team note-taking context, Saga AI sometimes misses important details like specific deadlines, responsibilities, or technical info that could be important for understanding the full overview. Those small but key details might get overlooked, which can impact how well the team stays aligned. Another feature we found really helpful was how the AI organizes information. It can automatically structure a bunch of scattered notes into more readable ones by keeping things tidy without any heavy lifting. And the best part is the AI adapts the workflow. The more you and your team use it, the better it gets at suggesting relevant content, reformatting notes, and even recommending actions. Also, if any team member is sifting through long paragraphs of text, the AI quickly highlights the key information. This is pretty helpful during team meetings or brainstorming sessions when everyone needs to stay on the same page without getting caught up in lengthy notes. So, if your team's constantly hopping from one meeting to the next, this feature could really save time. Saga AI does a great job of connecting with other apps, so you don't have to constantly copy and paste information. It integrates smoothly with tools like Google Drive and even some project management apps. We tested out the Google Drive integration, and it let us link relevant documents directly into the notes without having to leave the app. There are still some gaps. We would love to see better integration with apps like ClickUp or Evernote. Hopefully, they will expand the list in future updates. One of the features we always look for in a note-taking app is how well it works across different devices. Saga AI has this cross-platform accessibility. Whether you're using it on Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, or even just in a web browser, it syncs automatically. We tested it across multiple devices, switching between the laptop and phone, and things updated instantly. And yes, there's an offline mode, so you're not totally out of luck if you lose internet access. You can keep working on your notes, and they'll sync once you're back online. And we found it really useful, especially when traveling. For teams, privacy can be a priority, especially when handling confidential or proprietary information. Saga AI addresses this with encryption protocols, ensuring that data is protected both during transfer and storage. Additionally, it follows strict data privacy regulations to guarantee that user data is processed responsibly. For teams, this means peace of mind, knowing that their shared information is handled securely. Besides, the platform offers fine-tuned access controls, allowing admins to set specific permissions for each team member. This ensures that only authorized individuals can view or edit certain notes, preventing accidental or malicious alterations. With features like two-factor authentication, teams can add an extra layer of security to their accounts, which reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Overall, Saga AI's particular focus on security and privacy allows teams to collaborate without compromising the confidentiality of their notes and ideas. While Saga AI does a lot of its tasks right, there are a few areas that could use improvement. The AI features, while impressive, still feel a bit basic at times. For example, the summaries work well for short notes, but for long, complex documents, they sometimes miss key details. It would be nice if there was an option to customize AI-generated summaries for better accuracy. If you rely heavily on AI to organize your notes, you might still need to organize data manually. Beyond that, when you're offline, some features or data may be unavailable. And as your team expands and tasks become more complex, Saga AI might not offer the depth or customization needed for those more advanced workflows. Lastly, when it comes to pricing, Saga AI offers flexible options to fit different team sizes. The free plan is great for small teams, providing 5,000 AI words per month, up to 3 members per workspace, and 1 integration with Google Drive or Linear. The standard plan at $6 per user per month unlocks unlimited AI like GPT-4o, 30-day version history, and user permissions. For larger organizations, the business plan at $12 per user per month adds AI-powered search, unlimited version history, advanced permissions, and expanded storage. So, if you're tired of scattered notes and endless tabs, Saga AI might be the upgrade your team needs. Would you give Saga AI a shot? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.